believe is for the timing if I had the distributor that went with this kit, but I don't, so it doesn't show any data. Right there, once that light turns off, it has learned everything that it can learn. But as long as that's on, all right, there you go. So it'll kick on and off a couple times, but it's trying to get this RPM to 850 and hold steady. And then if I give it throttle after, you know, whenever it's done learning, this process will go off. But when I give it throttle, it'll automatically start learning again until it's got the entire range of RPM figured out, and then it'll be done doing what it needs to do. I don't know what these do. I guess they do nothing. Maybe if I had more than one of them on the truck. Oh, these are different configurations. My fingers are dirty, but yeah, whatever. That's a good dashboard anyway. So there it is. The throttle response is freaking fantastic. It's never ran like this before. The throttle is instantaneous. There's the air-fuel ratio. It's between 13 and 14 to, well, I can't calculate that fast enough, but anyway, it's going bonkers. It's learning. It's trying to figure it all out. So, all right, there it is.